Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand, the cocktail sinks, and we can take a look at the overall size first for the units. The unit's entire depth is about like 29 inches, and the height of the unit is about like 33 inches tall. And this unit is wide about like 1 feet 12 inches. We can see this unit is making by the stainless steels and have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stage. Let me take a measurement for it too. For the stage, the wide about like 4 inches. The height to the hinge about like 4.5 inches tall. They're all the same. And that's what will be the all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.